Welcome back to Soft Cars channel. Today, we are diving straight into the ultimate guide on how to install Xentry Passthru XPT 3.2026 and pair it with your J2534 for open port to 2.0 adapter. Let's get your Mercedes diagnostic setup running flawlessly in just a few steps. Step 1. Before we extract anything, you need to disable your Windows Defender or any third-party antivirus software. Because of the patching tools used in diagnostic software, Windows might flag them as false positives and delete your essential files. Go to your security settings and toggle off real-time protection. Step 2. Extract your downloaded Xentry Passthru archive. Once extracted, right-click the setup file and strictly select Run as administrator. Follow the on-screen prompts for the default installation path. This is a massive software package, so be patient. This process might take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour depending on your PC specs. While Xentry finishes up, let's get the hardware ready. Open your OpenPort to 2.0 driver folder and run the setup. Accept the terms and click Install. Without these drivers, Xentry won't be able to communicate with your vehicle through the J2534 PassThru cable. Now for the most important part, activation. Navigate to your provided patch folder, copy the files, and paste them directly into your Xentry root directory to replace the originals. Next, open up the ConfigAssist application. Enter your hardware ID into the provided keygen, generate your start key, and paste it back into ConfigAssist to lock in your license. Plug in your OpenPort to 2.0 interface, fire up Xentry Diagnostics. Look at the bottom right corner if you see the hardware icon light up and recognized. You are fully set up and ready to diagnose. That's it. If this guide helped you get your Xentry running, smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive software tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.